National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central McLennan County and central Texas until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:35 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Waco, or near Woodway, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Waco, Hewitt, Robinson, Bellmead, Woodway, Lacy-Lakeview, McGregor, Beverly Hills, Riesel, Hallsburg, Lake Waco, Tradinghouse Creek Reservoir, Northcrest, Lake Creek Lake, Willow Grove, Axtell, Downsville and Elm Mott. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 328 and 342. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.